Series Video 2 of 6. How to download Delta Executor on iOS and Android, 2026. VO. Downloading Delta Executor looks simple until you're on iOS and nothing works the way you expect. Android is straightforward. iOS has extra steps that most people get wrong the first time. This video covers both, step by step, so you get it installed and working without wasting an hour trying random methods that don't work. Part 1. Android download. Let's start with Android since it's the easier one. Step 1. Go to the official website, deltaexecutor.com. This is the only official download source. Don't download from any other website, random Telegram channels, or Discord DMs. Those files can contain malware. Step 2. On the homepage, click the Android button. This takes you to the Android download page. Step 3. Tap download and the Delta APK file will start downloading to your device. Step 4. Before you can install it, you need to allow installs from unknown sources. Go to Settings, then Security, then Install Unknown Apps, and enable it for your browser or file manager. This is required because Delta isn't on the Google Play Store. Step 5. Open your Downloads folder, tap the APK file, and select Install. Once it finishes, tap Open and Delta Executor is ready to use. That's it for Android. 5 steps. Takes about 2 minutes. If you hit an error during install, that's covered in video 3 of this series. Part 2. iOS download. Direct install method. Now iOS. And this is where most people get confused. You cannot install Delta on iPhone or iPad the same way as Android. iPhones don't use APK files. They use IPA files, and Apple doesn't allow you to just install apps from outside the App Store without extra steps. But Delta now offers a direct install method that makes this significantly easier than it used to be. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to deltaexecutor.com on your iPhone's browser. Safari works best for this. Step 2. Tap the direct install button on the homepage. Step 3. A prompt will appear asking to install a configuration profile. Tap Allow and follow the on-screen instructions. This is how iOS handles side-loaded apps. It's not a virus. It's just Apple's way of installing apps outside the App Store. Step 4. Once installed, go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. You'll see an entry for Delta. Tap it and tap Trust. This step is required. Without it, the app will say Untrusted Developer and won't open. Step 5. Go back to your home screen and open Delta Executor. Done. Part 3. iOS sideload method, backup. If the direct install method doesn't work for you, some iOS versions handle it differently. There's a backup method using a sideloading app. The most reliable option right now is ESign. Go to ESignIOS.com. Download and install ESign the same way you just installed Delta using the direct install method. It uses the same profile installation process. Once ESign is installed, go back to deltaexecutor.com. Download the IPA file instead of direct install. Open ESign. Tap the 3-dot menu. Import the IPA file. Find it in the list. Tap it. Hit Signature twice. Then tap Install. Delta will install on your device. After installing, do the same trust step. Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Find Delta. Trust it. Part 4. After install. Once Delta is installed on either Android or iOS, here's what to do next. First, join the official Discord server at discord.com/invite/Deltax. This is where every new update gets posted. Roblox updates can break Delta overnight, and the Discord announcements channel is how you find out when a fix is available. Second, when you open Delta for the first time, you'll need to go through the key system. I'm covering that in detail in video 4 of this series, including how to bypass it for free. Third, if you got an integrity error during iOS install that says this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified, that's covered in video 3. It's a common error and the fix is simple. That's how to download Delta Executor on Android and iOS in 2026. Android is 5 steps. iOS is 5 steps, but with the trust developer setting that most people miss. If you got stuck anywhere, drop a comment with exactly where it broke and I'll reply. Subscribe. I'm posting the rest of this Delta series today, covering the integrity error fix, the key bypass, the keyless script method, and what to do if Delta isn't working at all.